But, you know, advice to somebody who want to start branding: focus, build your business to business relationship very well. Try and do an evergreen exclusive agreement. Doesn't help you. You try and brand with Woolworths, and they're fighting Pick n Pay at the time, and Pick n Pay also have it. They're not going to put effort behind your brand. And that's one clever thing we did, was to go exclusive with Woolies, exclusive in Edeka. The world is such a big place that you could actually move huge volumes, but the supermarket must trust you and get behind your brand. And they must almost feel like Woolies feel it's their brand as well. They don't own it, but Woolies also put a lot of effort and time and energy behind the brand.